The Tesla Model S, manufactured between 2012 and 2021, features sleek, flush-mounted rear door handles designed for aerodynamic efficiency and keyless entry. This is often referred to as the won't present issue, where the electromechanical system doesn't activate despite detecting your key fob or smartphone. The flush-mounted design uses proximity sensors to trigger a motor that deploys the handle. Components like microswitches and control modules can fail due to wear, corrosion, or software issues. The good news is that Tesla has been making improvements through over-the-air software updates, with the latest firmware in late 2025, including diagnostics for handle malfunctions. The Tesla Model S rear door handle system consists of three main components that work together to deploy the flush-mounted handle. The Microswitch is a tactile sensor that confirms when the handle should deploy or retract. It often fails due to corrosion from moisture ingress, such as in coastal areas with salt exposure, or electrical shorts that prevent proper signal transmission. The motor is a small DC actuator that physically ejects and retracts the handle. Failures typically occur from gear wear over time, voltage spikes in the electrical system, or contaminants that affect the bearings and rotor. The control module, integrated with the vehicle's central computer, processes signals from the microswitch and motor. Software glitches can cause the won't present error, where the motor doesn't activate because the faulty microswitch isn't sending the correct signal. When the handle won't present, it's frequently a faulty microswitch, not registering the deployment command, though motor or software issues can also be the cause. If the troubleshooting steps didn't work, the microswitch is likely the culprit. You can attempt a DIY replacement if you're comfortable with basic car repairs. You can find replacement microswitches for around $50 to $100 online. Follow a tutorial from YouTube or iFixit for detailed instructions. Be extremely careful with electrical connections. One wrong connection can damage the door system. A Reddit user in 2025 reported success with a $20 part from AliExpress and a 2024 iFixit tutorial. Tesla service centers use specialized diagnostic tools to read and interpret error codes from the vehicle's systems. These tools connect directly to the car's computer to access detailed fault information. The most common error codes related to door handle issues fall under the B1DXX series. These codes specifically indicate problems with door-related components and can help narrow down whether the issue is electrical, mechanical, or software-related. Third-party OBD2 scanners can also access many of these Tesla error codes. These affordable diagnostic devices plug into the car's OBD2 port and can read fault codes, though they may not provide the full diagnostic capabilities of Tesla's official tools. Knowing the specific error code can significantly help pinpoint the exact problem. For example, different B1DSX codes might indicate a faulty microswitch versus a motor failure versus a control module issue, allowing for targeted repairs. However, properly interpreting these error codes often requires specialized knowledge of Tesla's systems. Misreading codes can lead to incorrect repairs or even cause additional damage. Therefore, professional diagnostics at a Tesla service center are strongly recommended. To prevent future issues with your Tesla Model S rear door handles, regularly update your vehicle's software. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that include specific fixes and improvements to the door handle system, addressing microswitch and motor issues before they become major problems. If you live in coastal areas exposed to salt air, consider applying protective coatings or stickers to the door handles. This prevents corrosion from moisture ingress that can damage the microswitch and motor components, as shown in these before and after examples. Looking ahead, future Tesla models will incorporate more robust waterproofing in their door handle assemblies, making them resistant to environmental damage. AI-driven predictive maintenance will monitor component health and alert drivers to potential issues before they occur. By 2030, experts predict that software-only fixes will resolve up to 80% of door handle issues, eliminating the need for physical component replacements in most cases. Regular updates and these emerging technologies will significantly improve reliability. The first step is to check your Tesla's warranty coverage. Some older Model S vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2021 may still be under warranty for door handle issues, especially with the recent firmware updates that address diagnostics. Specifically, vehicles from the 2012 to 2021 production years often qualify for coverage, as Tesla has recognized this as a common issue and provides free repairs under their extended warranties. Even if your original warranty has expired, Tesla has occasionally provided extended coverage or complimentary repairs for models experiencing this issue. This is part of their commitment to customer satisfaction and vehicle reliability. To determine your eligibility, contact your local Tesla service center. Their certified technicians can perform diagnostics and confirm if your vehicle qualifies for coverage or repairs. According to Tesla's official position, most door handle failures result from mechanical wear over time, such as corrosion or component fatigue. They strongly advise professional diagnostics to prevent accidental warranty voiding during any repair attempts.